For everyday cleaning of your tile floor, MAPEI recommends a pH-neutral cleaner, such as UltraCare Concentrated Tile and Grout Cleaner. Even though it's diluted prior to using, you always want to make sure you rinse well after application to avoid a soap and residue buildup. Even the most meticulously clean households will eventually need to deep clean their floors. For deep cleaning, MAPEI recommends UltraCare Heavy Duty Stone Tile and Grout Cleaner. Some guidelines to consider when working with this. Always work in a small, manageable area. More is not always better when using a heavy-duty cleaner. Use the recommended ratios. Use a white nylon scrub pad or brush to help break up the soil. Then use lots of clean, rinsing water to remove the soil and the cleaner. For help selecting the right cleaner for your project, please call us at 1-800-992-6273 or visit our website.